Go.
Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to Buma Resto. Have you made a reservation?
Yes.
Under what name?
Elsa?
Miss Teresa for 2 packs, correct?
Yes.
Would you like to leave your coats here?
No, thank you.
Allow me to take you to your table, please. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Your server will be here in a moment. Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you.
Yung penting aku nya benar. Good evening, ladies. My name is Leia, and I will be your server for today. Here are the menus. Excuse me, ma'am.
Thank you.
This is the menu, ma'am. Excuse me. What would you like to order?
I will have the lemonade, please.
One lemonade, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
I'd like watch
Would you like it sparkling or still?
sparkling, please.
Sparkling. Is there anything else?
That's it. Thank you.
Let me take the menu, please. Thank you, ma'am. Your drinks will be coming right away. Excuse me, ma'am. One lemonade.
Thank you.
And excuse me, ma'am. One sparkling water.
Thank you.
Enjoy your dinner.
Thank you.
Good evening, room service. Leia speaking. How may I help you?
I would like to order room service, please.
May I have your name, please?
Teresa.
Miss Teresa, what would you like to order?
I would like to order a bowl of pasta, please.
One pasta. Is there anything else, miss? Perhaps a drink?
No, that's it.
All right, miss. How would you like to pay?
Just charge it to my room, please.
Certainly, miss. Your pasta will be arriving in 20 minutes. Thank you for ordering room service. Have a good evening.
Thank you.
Room service. Hello. Good evening, miss. Room service for Miss Teresa.
Yes.
May I come in? Of course. Thank you. Where would you like me to serve your food?
You can serve it here.
Here we have your pasta, miss. This is your liking.
It's perfect.
May I have your signature, ma'am? Thank you very much. Is there anything else I can do for you?
That will be all.
Once you finish your meal, you may call room service and we will